go down this, see what's down here. I don't even know what's down this little alleyway and get mugged down here. This is the craziest McDonald's that I've ever seen.
Vaya, saluda, saluda. No te preocupes, yo no soy el FBI.
Get mugged down here by a bunch of Cuban raptors. Nah, I'm just kidding. My family is the Cubans.
¿Qué veo? ¿Qué estás haciendo aquí hoy?
Vendiendo vintage.
Dale.
Dale. Trump 2024, dale.
Ya tú sabes.
Ya, ahí
tú
está,
sabes. Trabajo con los comunistas.
Dale.
As you can see, I'm behind the Great Wall here, Little Havana, donde vienen todos los cubanos aquí. Love.
This is a monument to Jose Marti. It has one of his most famous sayings. He said, yo quiero cuando me muera sin patria pero sin amo, tener en mi losa un ramo de flores y una bandera. I want when I die without a country but without a master. To have on my tomb a bouquet of flowers and a flag.
Now my family came from right here, Pinar del Rio, Guane, Los Portales. So this is where the Carreras are from, where the attorney that rides Roots is from.
So here we have a monument to Brigada 2506. This is the group of heroes that fought to liberate Cuba from communism. Sadly, they were betrayed by the Democrats, by Kennedy, and they were left to die during the invasion of Ayacucho Chino.
Bay of Pigs.
Bay of Pigs.
Where's the eternal flame?
Apparently it's off. Maybe ran out of gas. Weird because that's always on. Something happened, but it's supposed to be on.
Aquí está el que se ganó la lotería.
Ay, ay, yo.
All right, I was leaving, but I got convinced to smoke one more cigar and have another cafecito. Oh, it's ready. Gracias. In Miami, they call Cuban coffee liquid cocaine, but it's legal. All you need is a little bit. Damn, that's hot. The attorney arrived. Man, that coffee's starting to hit me. I might have to hang out a little bit longer. Well, I made it back. Another successful run by the attorney that rides. Anytime you leave your house and come back, it's been a successful run. So it was getting hopping, starting to get lit, but it was still young. I'm gonna have to do an evening thing on Calle Ocho, see what the nightlife is like.